How to create Ghibli artwork on Grok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So have you ever wondered how to create stunning Ghibli style artwork using AI? Well, in today's video, we're diving into how you can use Grok to bring your dreamy hand painted scene into life. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head over to the Grok, an AI power tool that generates art based on text prompts. So if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up. It's quick and easy. So now let's craft the perfect prompt. To get a Ghibli style artwork, simply tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Photos. And after that, you'll be prompted to the photo library. From there, simply select the photo, and once you have selected it, simply tap on the add button which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you have added the image, you can give the command to Grok by asking it to convert this image to the Ghibli art. And once you're done, you can simply tap on the upper arrow icon which can be seen in the type bar. Now you just have to wait for some time, and after that your Ghibli style artwork will be created, and that's it. That's how you can create a Ghibli style artwork using Grok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.